美国前国务卿蓬佩奥今年2度访问台湾，结束伫高雄的行程了后，伫28号中昼来到台南。台南市长黄伟哲、立法委员王定宇分别送着王乃瓜虾饼等台南名产，其中还佫有印着台美国旗的兰花，用这的特色礼物来欢迎长期支持台湾的国际朋友。
今天来到台南，当然不能放过它，很多台南好吃的东西，包括除了果干之外，我们还有就是虾饼，还有很多好吃的东西。
蓬佩奥这摆访问的目的，主要是甲地方政府、企业人士亲自探讨经济相关议题，希望会当伫政治也佮有经济方面有更较侪合作。
This trip is different than my previous trip. This is an opportunity to talk about the things that grow economies, that make our nations prosper, and the work that we can do together to make it so. And so I've had the chance to meet with local government officials who are making it easier to do business. I've had a chance to meet with people who are doing business both here in Taiwan and in the United States, and frankly all throughout this region, creating jobs and prosperity. These are the pillars upon which our relationship will be built.
透过这摆的参会，希望会当互台湾的企业家甲美国双方会当有更较侪交流对谈。立委王定宇嘛表示，到蓬佩奥会当来台湾、台北以外的城市参观，爱互伊了解到咱台湾的产业实力。
但是我们邀请的企业在台湾跟美国都有相关的投资，可以说是台美之间重要投资的很多的桥梁。那另外呢，也希望让蓬佩奥了解南台湾的实力。
蓬佩奥伫卸任国务卿了后，嘛一直为台湾发声，嘛曾经公开表示讲台湾是独立的国家，即摆会当来到咱台湾，除了彰显了对台湾的支持，嘛希望伊即摆来台南会当互伊留下深刻的印象。台南新闻杨顺怀采访报道。